Yo, good morning everyone. There was a little rain this morning, actually just a sprinkle. Yeah, she noticed from the windows. It's also windy. I don't know, I did not check the forecast. I don't know if this is going to be rainy today. Hopefully not. We are here at the shopping center. Yeah, I'm going to buy a coffee, something to eat, something to cook. It is 8:30 at the moment. What's open is the grocery, post office. So I'm getting one of this bok choy. This is $2.90. You remember before I always buy this and it's just $2.50. Actually this one feels cheaper this time. Also getting this just 4 pieces. And I'm also getting a mixed seafoods. Yeah, those, they are cheap. $7.79. I get one of these. Do I need this? Olive oil and garlic. No need. And I'm also getting one of this blueberry frozen. $5.70. This is good. And I'm also getting a coffee. Yeah, this one Mokona. 30% off. Regular price is at $23.60. Now just $16.50. Yeah, this is 200 grams. If you compare that to 100 grams, it's $14.50. This is the classic one. Oh, maybe this caramel. Classic. I'll take this one. Nacho cheese, no. Maybe this. Tasty cheese. $2.50. $5 regular price. The total cost was $40 something. What made it more expensive is the coffee. I was thinking of doing a cabinet in my barn, but it is raining. It is not good to work in the self-storage when it is raining, or yeah, when it's like this. You see, it's wet here. So probably I'm going to do Uber delivery today. I will be just here in the car. I'm going to cook it here. And I also bought this bag. Yeah, basically thermal one, insulated. I'm going to use it for delivering Uber. So I got this mixed seafoods. You know, if cooking is priority, I will make a table for cooking. Yeah, but you know, cooking is not my priority in this camper van. Most of the camper vans, especially the professional one, yeah, they made a very nice cooking area. But my priority here is office table. That's why it's a standing desk. Set stand desk. Okay, seafoods. What else I need to put there? This bok choy. Just rinse it a little bit and last soy sauce. Just that. and let that steam. Then I have this blueberry frozen. That coffee and this. I don't have much seasoning here, just salt and soy sauce. Just add more salt and that's enough. That's it. Now I am going to eat. I have rice here. I'm not going to reheat the rice, it's okay. Yeah, this one is hot. You don't see it? Instead of doing over delivery or doing carpentry here in the barn, I decided to edit the video. Yeah, so that I have another upload, and I'm almost near to catch up. Yeah, with all the vlogs. I mean, yeah, the vlog that I posted in the previous weeks, they are very late, like a month late, and yeah, I'll be able to upload the recent one. Today is December 15. Oh, 15? Yeah, December 16. Actually, I'm receiving message from Uber. Yeah, it is telling me that if I deliver 15 deliver until Thursday. Yeah, they have a promotion just like this one. Let me read it to you. See, promotion. So if I deliver 15 trips, I'll get $60 extra. Yeah, by Thursday. Today's Tuesday. And then here, if I complete 3 trips, start today, by 5 p.m. I get $18 extra. And then here, 3 trips Wednesday, $20 extra. Yeah, and so much so on. And so I am tempted to do live delivery. You know, one thing I realized that yeah, it's good to deliver in this area because yeah, there's no heavy traffic and also easy to park. Because I believe if you're going to do over delivery in the city, especially in Newcastle or in Sydney, yeah, finding a delivery to pick up the food, I mean finding a car park to pick up the food, yeah, it's difficult. Let's finish this and do the over delivery. I end up coming here at the self-storage. Yeah, and yeah, I'm going to put another thing here. I mean this one, another shelf. Yeah, and if you can see, I am playing a video. So basically, when I was editing a video and I was rendering it, but yeah, rendering it takes time. Yeah, at the moment it's still 61%. I've been already to Bunnings, I've been already to BCF, but still rendering. Yeah, I want to go to over delivery, but I have this thing, so will just stay here first and do some carpentry. Okay. And this is what I finished. Yeah, I finished rendering the video and now it's good. So I'm going to continue editing the other video, and I'm going to food court to buy food, the $15 one, 3 choices. Oh, actually this is $16.50. The $15 one is the medium one. I still have cooked food in the bun, but yeah, that was my breakfast. I also have another one, but that was my dinner last night, and so I want something different. That's why I spent $16 for the food today. Well, if you remember my Suzuki Jimny before, yeah, it's like this. And because I am going to eat, I want to put this down. You know, I always unplug everything every after use, you know, for safety. And I want to eat it in a plate. Good evening, everyone. We are now here at the laundry shop. Yeah, I already have the whites here and then the colored here. Yeah, the price here is different, depends on the size of the machine. Like this one that I am using now, this is $12 per cycle. And then this one is $7. I set the timer for 22 minutes, and look at this building. Yeah, you know, in the forum, yeah, there are some people who are opposing to have a high-rise building here in the Bay Area. I'm just going to walk around, or maybe in the grocery. It is now 8:02. I don't know if the Asian shop over there is still open. We'll see later. Yeah, it's still open. I can see from here. I don't have plan of buying anything, but we're just going to browse, and if I like something, I'll take it. From outside, yeah, I can see what is inside, and they don't have the ready-to-eat meal, the microwavable one. They called it grab and go.